Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi, I'm Kevin Ortner, CEO of Renters Warehouse, and I'll be your host today on REI Classroom. In the past, we've talked a bit about rent estate and what it is, and today I want to talk about how to win in rent estate.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by virtualstaffnow.com.
How do you build your rent estate portfolio to really work for you, and what are some of maybe the mistakes to avoid or things to do? And really it starts with being prepared and organized, really having a plan. Of course, the best way to success in anything is to have that plan, but also asking for help from those who maybe are a little bit more experienced. So understanding what types of rent estate properties you want to go after, or how you're going to build your portfolio and how you're maybe going to finance those properties. But also talking with local realtors and property managers about what the best type of property is to buy. Save time and money and outsource some of the tasks that you're going to have on your portfolio, from finding tenants, collecting rent, and coordinating maintenance and repairs, as well as, again, teaming up with a really great real estate investment expert to help you find that appropriate property. I always tell folks that you should look to see what you want to outsource. Most rent estate investors, or really ordinary real estate investors, often have their own full-time job or full-time careers. I'm sure that you do as well. And so sometimes it's best to outsource those tasks that really are going to bog you down and not be the best use of your time. So there's really 4 top things we recommend folks outsource when it comes to their rent estate portfolio. And the first one's going to be correctly pricing your property for the market, or how much am I going to rent my home for? Just simply looking at some of the comparables in the area or going off what your mortgage payment is really isn't going to be enough. So you should really connect with a professional landlord, property manager, or rent estate expert and look into how much you can charge for rent. It's going to depend based on your neighborhood and the amenities in the home and all of those kind of things. And obviously pricing your property appropriately is going to be a huge key to being successful in owning rent estate. If you price it too high, it's going to sit on the market and you're going to lose several months worth of income, which is a lot of your profit over the course of the year. If you price it too low, simply put, you're going to miss out on some of the upside you can have on your cash flow. Second is making sure you find the right tenant and that you keep them. So it's more than just how you manage that tenant after they're in the home, but really it comes down to the background checks and the screening you do initially. Owning rent estate can be very easy and hassle-free and frankly worry-free if you have the right tenant in place. And it all starts with finding that right tenant, making sure you do the proper background checks, the proper research, and the proper paperwork, and then signing him into the proper lease that's going to protect you as the landlord. The third would be your day-to-day property management tasks. Many of us don't want to have to worry about those 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. phone calls for maintenance or plumbing repairs, things like that, collecting rent, doing the accounting. These are all things that there's a lot of professionals probably in your local area that can handle for you for a reasonable price. And generally your return on investment on that is going to be huge. And then the fourth and the final is really going to be to protect yourself against unexpected issues. There's lots of different insurance policies you can get to insure against loss or rent loss or damage, things like that. And just also counting on your property manager, a local professional landlord, to manage those types of things, from legal issues to property repairs and tenant damages, and make sure those are handled in the proper way, where if you do have some sort of issue, it's handled quickly and so you can avoid long-term loss. So again, the secret to success in real estate and how to win is really make sure you build the right team, have a plan, and outsource things that maybe you're not best at. That's all we have today for how to win in rent estate, and look forward to seeing you again soon on REI Classroom.
VirtualStaffNow.com is the leading virtual assistant provider for real estate investors. As busy real estate investors, there's nothing more valuable than our time. And VirtualStaffNow.com not only helps you find the right real estate virtual assistant for your business, they train them on an ongoing basis, manage them daily to make sure they're staying productive and effective. And in the event they're not the right fit or need to be replaced, they handle that for you too. Whether you need 1 or 100 virtual assistants for your team, start the process right now at VirtualStaffNow.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of flipnerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of flipnerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flipnerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flipnerd in the iTunes Store.